Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to open futures trading account on Binance platform. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. In order to trade on the Binance platform on its future trading, so you have to open the account for yourself. Firstly, you have to sign up for a regular Binance account. If you don't have an account, so simply check the description, click on the link, join my link, and create account for yourself and get 10% discount while trading cryptocurrency on Binance exchange. So step by step I will show you how you can open future trading account on the Binance platform. So if you are using web version, so simply again you can open future trading account here. So as right now I'm using mobile, so I will show you how you can open future trading account on Binance using the Binance application mobile. So here I will open the Binance. Once you are here, you can see there are 5 category, 5 option in the bottom of the Binance mobile application. There is futures, so simply click on that. You can see that welcome, watch the futures introduction video and pass a quick quiz to ensure you fully understand the potential risk before you start trading. So there are some few questions, so step by step I will show you the right answer for the question that are provided in the quiz of Binance futures trading account. So click on the start now. Another page will open, so you have to answer the correct answer of the Binance future trading account before you open the account there. So click on start quiz. There is the first step. You can see there is, you can see which one of the following action should be taken when you fail to place an order. So guys, these are the correct answer that you can see here is the all the correct answer is given to you. So you can open the Binance future trading account using these answers. So click on the trade futures. As you can see that future trading account is successfully open. Now you can easily trade on the future platform of Binance easily. So guys, it was about how to open future trading account on the Binance exchange. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will see you in the next one.